So I was hovering over it, and I got wedged right there. And little propellers. Yeah, so.
Yeah, I might have to get something.
I don't know if my pole, now thinking about it, even goes that high, so we're gonna find out. Shout out to G-Mash for hooking the boy up with this fucking pole. Should be alright. Oh, it's wedged in there, bro. It's moving. It's moving. Yes. Hell yeah, dude. Holy shit. Fucking got it. Fuck yeah, dude. We got this fucking drone back, baby. That's crazy, dude. It was just a cruise, and what pisses me off, I didn't get it on DVR, but you get my reaction when I fucking crash. So appreciate you guys watching. See you next time.